Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCameraSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International ES and A level and O level. Today, I shall explain some question of Mathematics 9709, paper 1. Topic name is Trigonometry. Let's start for the overview of the topic Trigonometry. First of all, the question 1 is solve 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. The interval given is 0 less than equal to theta, theta less than equal to 360. So first of all, we shall factorize the given equation. By factorization, we get 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta minus sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. After simplification, we get two terms. One is sin theta minus 1 and other is 2 sin theta minus 1. So we shall put equal to 0, 1 by 1. Sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Sin theta equal to 1 and theta equal to sin inverse 1. We know that sin is equal to 1 when theta is equal to 90 degree. Now for the second option, 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. We know that sin is positive in the first and in the second quadrant. So our terminal will lie in the first and in the second quadrant. In this case, we shall calculate the basic angle. Basic angle is the angle we calculate in order to calculate the angle in the first and in the second quadrant. So the alpha is equal to sin inverse 1 by 2, alpha is equal to 30 degree. As our terminal lie in the first and in the second quadrant, so theta equal to alpha, 180 minus alpha. Alpha means in the first quadrant and 180 minus alpha mean in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, the value of the theta is equal to 30 and 150. But as we have calculated also for the first option, sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, theta is equal to 90. So all the three solution for this equation is equal to theta equal to 30, 150 and 90 degree. The solution of the given trigonometric question. You will find more than 50 solution for the different scenario of the trigonometry on the website. First of all, you need to log in on the website in order to download the PDF and the video file. How you can download the solution of all the 50 questions on the website? The first step is you will log in to the website. First of all, open the website KingCameraSolution.com. After that, you will sign up on the website. For the sign up, you will click on the sign up button and as sign up link, as you can see that on the below arrow. When you click on the sign up button, you will sign up link, you will find a interface like this one. On this interface, you will provide your credentials like your email address, your name. After that, when you click on the sign up, you will be automatically log into the portal to download the PDF and the video file for the solution. You can also log in to the website manually by using your credentials, your username and the password. So when you log in the website, after that you will go to the course section. In the course section, when you click on the course link, after that you will click on the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find the different course available on the website. On the right section, you will get the section of the category section, which category you need to download. So in this case, you will find the different categories like for each topic, for the each paper. After selecting the category, you will see all the courses available in that category like this one. When you click on the preview course link, you will find the interface like this one, this interface. On this interface, you will click the red button add to cart. When you click on the add to cart button, after that you click on the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, you will get the interface like this one. In this interface, you select the Stripe for the option. As you can see that for the payment, you will select the radio button for the Stripe. And after that, you will fill the form about your account so that you can download all the course in the form of PDF and in the video file. When you click on the submit button, you will get this interface. On the top right corner of your profile, of your login profile, you will click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will see that the different courses that you have bought on this website, like the Cambridge Mathematics 9709 Paper 1, Pure Mathematics Topic 4, Circular Measure, like, and the other one is the Coordinate Geometry as well. You will see the interface like this one, all the courses that you have purchased on the website. When you click on any course that you have bought, you will see the interface like this. On this interface, you will go to the course content section on the website. When you click on the course content section, you will find all the question available for download. Like when you click on the PDF icon, a PDF file will be downloaded on your local computer. When you click on the video button, the video file will be downloaded to your local computer. Best of luck. See you in the next course of this series. Best of luck for your exam.